Hey guys, it is me. It is TK Barlow from the Barlow Group Tax and Accounting Firm. So listen, I hope that you are crushing your goals for 2024 and that you are well on your way, right? So we are we are over halfway through the year for 2024. And so I wanted to really just come and remind you of a useful tool that you should be doing right now if you are a business owner, and even if you're just a an individual that just works for W-2 and you don't have a business right now. This is going to be beneficial to you as well, because one thing that a lot of people are doing is that they're sitting down with their tax preparer around January. Okay, they're sitting down with their tax preparer at January 1st, and they're saying, hey, I am ready to get my taxes prepared. What do I need to do to help me lower my tax liability? And the problem with this is that after December 31st, it is going to be hard to figure out plans and strategies to help lower your tax bill or lower your tax liability, because anything that you try to do after December 31st is called tax evasion, right? And we get a lot of clients, that say, okay, I'm owing, I think I'm going to have to owe again. What can I do? And it's not a lot of things that you can do after December 31st, right? And so I like to encourage my clients, I like to encourage other business owners, like, you really need to be sitting down with your tax preparer before December 31st. You need to sit down with your tax preparer, like, around this time, around June, July, August. Because what's going to happen is this is the time where we are able to tax plan, right? So you're probably like, what is tax planning and how is it different from tax preparation? So tax planning is where we sit down with you. We look at how much you have paid into taxes so far for this year. We try to forecast what that amount is going to be by the year end. We look at your tax bracket to figure out what your tax liability may be. And so after we have that number for your tax liability, then we are able to see what type of tax deductions, what type of tax credits you are able to take for 2024. Okay. And so after we have that already there, then we are able to have some fun and figure out what further strategies are we able to put in place for you to help lower your tax liability even further. Because what we're doing with tax planning is we are doing tax avoidance. All right. So that's where we're trying to really figure out all the strategies, all the deductions, all the credits that you are able to implement within your business right now, well before December 31st. And this is totally legal, okay? So this is the time where you're able to go to your tax preparer and say, hey, what can I do? What should I be taking? What should I be doing within my business? Do I need to hire my kids and put them on payroll? Do I need to plan to make more purchases from my inventory? Or do I need to stop making so many purchases from my inventory? But this is the time where you're able to sit with your tax preparer and really do some tax planning so that you have a clear understanding and a clear grip around what your taxes are going to look like at the end of the year. But remember, you have to do this before December 31st. You want to start doing this with your tax accountant right around now, okay? Because it's going to give you more opportunity to put more strategies in and have it, consistently throughout to the end of the year, so that you're able to break down any type of tax bill or tax liability that you usually have, okay? So who is this for? Who is tax planning for? Tax planning is for anyone that is having to owe taxes year after year after year. You really need to sit down with someone to figure out what you should be doing, okay? And so a tax planning session is definitely for you. If you are an S corp business owner, I can't stress that more. You need to have a tax planning strategy okay? Because we need to get a grip, get a clear understanding of what is happening within your business. And then if you also have that W-2 income, we need to consider that as well. Or even if you just started a business, go ahead and get a tax planning session so that you'll know what to expect and you have no surprises at the end of the year, because nobody likes those surprises when it comes to owing the IRS, right? So go ahead and get on the calendar so that we can sit and discuss and figure out how you're able to use tax deductions, credits, and other strategies that is going to benefit you and cut down any type of tax liability or tax bill for you in this upcoming tax season. All right. So in the meantime, cheers to your success, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.